I fell off my friend's bike and I took a tumble and I broke my collarbone. I had to go straight to the hospital. I was put in a sling and later found out that I had to get surgery. Obviously he gave me medicine and it made me really sick. So I was just like, this is not working for me. I need a different way to resolve my pain. So that's when the H-wave came in and just completely took away the pain for me. When I was using the pill my doctor gave me, I was having a really hard time sleeping. So when I switched to the H-wave, I could sleep normally, like my collarbone wasn't even broken in the first place. I was definitely hesitant to try it, but once I tried it, I was like, this is working way better for me. Pain gone. It genuinely felt like it wasn't there. It was really easy to manage my pain at that point. It's really, really good. I would definitely recommend it to people. It's way more convenient than taking medicine. It's definitely something to try. Like, always try something before you say yes or no to it. So I think that for people, they should at least try it. It may not seem like it would do anything, but it does help a lot. So don't be afraid is the only thing I would say.